Now we're going to move on to energy and work. What is work or doing work? In everyday speech, the word work has many different meanings. However, in physics, work is a well-defined quantity. When you climb a ladder or even lift a drink to your mouth, you are doing work. In fact, work is done whenever there is a transfer of energy from one form to another. Work can be measured precisely and has units of joules, the same units as energy. These are the forms of energy: kinetic, potential, thermal energy, electric, and chemical. In physics, you only do work when you push with a force through a distance. The distance must be in the same direction as the force. The mathematical definition of the work done is given below. Work done is equal to force times distance moved in the direction of the force. W equals Fd. Now if we want to rearrange the work equation, F will be equals work over distance, and distance will be equals work over force. Force is measured in newtons N, and distance is measured in meters M. So which of these could be the units of work? Since W equals Fd, we have newtons and meters, so it will be Newton meters. A more common unit for measuring work is the joule, J. 1 joule is the work done when a force of 1 Newton moves through a distance of 1 meter. In other words, 1 J equals 1 Newton meter. These are the units of joule. We have megajoule, kilojoule, joule, millijoule, and microjoule. To convert from a larger unit to a smaller one, we multiply by 10 to the power 3, and from a smaller unit to a larger one, we divide by 10 to the power 3. So these are the equation and units for the work.